Hindi lahat ng kadugo mo, pamilya ang turing sa'yo. Minsan, kung sino pa yung hindi mo kadugo, doon mo pa nararamdaman ang tunay na pamilya. Oo, masakit na hindi lahat ng kadugo natin ay kapamilya natin. Pero tandaan ninyo, laging merong mga taong handang dumamay, makinig at tanggapin kung sino kayo, kahit hindi nyo kadugo. And whenever there is love, wherever there is acceptance, there is a family. There is a family. Kung saan merong pagtanggap, kung saan merong pag-ibig, kung saan merong pagbibigayan, merong pamilya.
If I could turn back the clock and make sure the light defeated the dark, I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I'd climb every mountain